One of these women was absolutely crucial to how the House of Mirelle, Hull's famous fashion house, operated. Stick around and you'll find out their name and much more besides, as well as look at some of the amazing fashions you can see in this picture. We're going to walk into Mirelle's showrooms, the place customers and clients would buy clothes from the women that worked there, who were nicknamed the Showroom Girls. You'll be learning about what a showroom girl did and meet some of them in person. We'll hear what it was like to be a mannequin or model in Hull and listen to a story about a very special dress from 1958 that was donated to Hull museums after it was commissioned and worn. All of that's to come, but first make sure you've clicked the bell notification icon and subscribe to the channel for updates. Then you'll be told the second something new is available, just like Mirelle's clients were. Thanks to all our lovely subscribers who have already joined us at Team House of Mirelle.